Welcome to Venbo Mom's Kitchen. My today's recipe is a village style Karuvattu kulambu. If you add some of my suggested vegetables and boiled egg in this recipe, it will go to next level. Come, let's get started and catch up with the recipe. Take dry fish and clean well with hot water and then coat with turmeric powder and keep aside. Then take 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add half tablespoon of mustard seeds and add few Fenugreek Seeds. Once it starts lettuce, add curry leaves, sliced garlic and saute. Then add sliced onion and saute until turns transparent. Then add sliced tomatoes, saute well for few minutes. Then add a little amount of salt. Saute well for few minutes. Then add all the sliced veggies such as drumstick, brinjal and potatoes. This is completely optional. If you want, you can avoid adding veggies. Saute well for few minutes. Once all the veggies come soft, we can add 3 tablespoons of chili powder and salt as per taste. Give a mix. Then add some water and close with lid and let it boil for few minutes. In meantime, we can give slice to the boiled eggs like this, and then only the sauce enters into it and it tastes good. Now add tamarind extract in it and let it boil for some more times. Once raw smell left, add dry fish in it. And let cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, finally add boiled eggs and let it for few minutes. Now our fresh Karuvattu with egg kulambu is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell button.